Hello, welcome to Eat Well. Today's menu is vegetable spicy noodles with peanut butter balls. Finally, spring comes to Canada. I'm cooking outside today. First, chop all the veggies. Let's make the spicy sauce. Put 1 tablespoon of hot pepper paste, 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce, ½ tablespoon of sesame oil, 1½ tablespoon of maple syrup. In a large pot, bring 6 cups of water and soba noodles. Boil it for 6 minutes. I rinse with cold water and drain the water. Put the spicy sauce and mix with the noodle. Bring in all the chopped veggies and it's all done. Now I'm making peanut butter balls. Put a cup of oats and a quarter of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of rice syrup, ½ tablespoon of vanilla extract and make it balls. Thanks for watching my channel today.